All right, guys. So we are moving to the next step where we'll be creating an IAM group and an IAM user. What is the difference between an IAM group and a user? This is a group. The group consists of different IAM users. Why do we need to create a group? The importance of creating a group is if we need to apply a certain permission or policy, we can easily apply it to the group and it's going to affect all of the users in it. So it is easier for you to assign policies. Imagine you have 20 users in a certain firm. It will be difficult assigning policies to individual users. So if you have all of them in a group, it is easy for you to just assign that policy to that group, and all of them are going to be getting that permission. So that is groups, and an IAM user is a user in a group, is a member of a group. So what we need to do now is to then create an IAM group and an IAM user. So how do we do that? We'll also be using the IAM service again. So type in the IAM, type in the using the IAM service. And from here, the first thing we want to do is to click on user groups. Click on user groups. I want to click on create group, and want to give this a name. Want to give it cybertech. Cybertech. This group is going to be the audits group. Cybertech audit group. And so add users to the group. We've not created any users yet, and we'll just hold on. So what policy do we want to attach to this person? Remember, we created a cybertech policy. So we want to attach the cybertech audit environment policy. We want to attach that, and we'll click on create user group. So that's all we need to do. We've been able to create our first user, our first group, and this is cybertech audit group. You might want to take a snipe of this. This is going to be for your reports and your documentation. Please don't forget to take screenshots at every point in time, and you can save that. Good. Then we want to create a user, because if you look at this space, you see that this space is blank. You have 0 users in this group. The next thing is to click on users, create user, and you want to create this user cybertech audits. Remember the new employee we had. Remember that we had this new employee, this guy here, and say this guy is Ali. Imagine this guy is Ali. So we want to create this user Ali. Great. So make sure that you check provide user access to AWS management console. And why do you have to do this? If you don't do this, they won't be able to access this graphics user interface. They will be able to access AWS via a different channel like Barbie, the terminals and all. So make sure that you check this. And now you want to create an IAM user. Make sure you check this. And I want to give it a custom password, and just make sure you don't forget it. Okay, great. Then users must create a new password at next sign in. Uncheck this. You might want to do that in an environment depending on the kind of password policy that you have in your company. You might want to do that as well. Then click on next. Okay, I want to save that. So now let us add this user to group. We want to add this to group. Then we can check this. So we are adding them to the cybertech audits group. Do you understand? Then you might want to, let's check this, set permission boundary. No, let's just leave that. Let's click on next. And what else? That's all you need to do. Then you just click on create user. Amazing. Then you might want to download the CSV file. You might want to download that. It contains your credentials. You can see Cybertech Audit Ali credentials. You might want to do that. And now you have, this is a console sign-in URL. You can see that it is now using the alias Cybertech users. So you might want to copy that. Remember the username Cybertech Audits Ali and the password is what it is. Great. So let's go back to users list. So you can see that you have Cybertech Audit. If you go back to users groups, you see that we now have one user under the Cybertech Audits group. So let us now log in as the user now by imputing that URL. We click on that. And now we want to log in as Cybertech Audit Ali. Cybertech Audit Ali. And just remember this. So you can see the account ID or the alias Cybertech users. And then we want to sign in. So remember, you can also sign in as the root. You might sign in as a root, but since we configured all of these things from the roots, now we want to sign in as this new employee. We want to sign in as this new guy. We want to sign in as this new guy. Yeah. So this is Ali. Then we click on sign in. Okay, great. Now, if you look closely, you see that they are now logged in at Cybertech-Audit Ali. So you are now logged in as this user. Great. So that is how to create groups and users. And now you might want to take a snipe of this home page as well. Have a snipe of this home page and save that. You might want to take. Great. So that's what all you need to do in creating groups and users on the cloud console. So finally, we'll be moving to the next step where we're going to be testing our policy to make sure that it has been enabled.